pretty much the application that you're reviewing, and it should pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. So make sure you watch for it there. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. And at the top here where it says Smart, this is where you would select your VPN servers. Some of them you may need ads to view some of these VPN servers, so do keep that in mind. So if I go back here, it's the connection button here, and over here you have the app filtering feature, which you can select whichever application gets the VPN connection. Let's say, for example, S1S VPN. All I have to do is just tap on the application, and that application will pretty much not be getting the VPN connection. So let me just go back to the server section. So these are all the servers available. As you can see here, they are completely free. Some of them you may need to require watching an ad to get access to the VIP servers. So let me just select one of these free server here. But if you want to get the fastest free server, you can pretty much use the smart option. And once you have selected the server or the smart option, we'll ask for connection request. Just tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. VPN will connect in no time. So as you can see here, not much ads on this VPN application. Only ads is pretty much the server section. Some servers are very good. Not gonna lie, they're very fast. So comment below your thoughts on this VPN. Also, if you have any problems, do comment below as well. Stay tuned.